chicken is on high rotation in many households, but this version with a zesty herb sauce will take your dinner to a whole new level.
We're joined by international superstar chef Curtis Stone for Cooking with Coles. If you could only smell what's going on in here right now, Curtis, it smells magnificent. What do we got here?
Well, you know, a roast chook is so beautiful and so easy to do, but I'm going to show you a slightly different way to do it. What I've done is made a dry rub, so I've got coriander, cumin and paprika, right? And then I've opened the chicken from the back, so you just snip down the back with a pair of kitchen shears, and then you sort of dust that dry rub over the top like this, both sides, and then into a pan or a grill pan. You want to sort of just wait until that skin gets nice and brown, right? And then by opening the chicken, you get a really nice even cook on it, and you can see how gorgeous that gets. You now transfer it to the oven like 40, 45 minutes and dinner's ready.
Really? So that's a normal chicken just cut open?
That's exactly right. And I, of course, put the dry rub on. This one's just come out of the oven, so I'll turn it off. So we're going to portion that up. Now, to serve it, I've got some tomato, and then I'm going to make a really quick dressing. So there's some olive oil in here, fresh herbs, so I've got mint, some spring onions, some coriander.
How good's mint? I love
parsley.
mint.
Me too.
Yeah. And then the nut.
And you can grow it easily too.
Yeah, it's so great. It's got that sort of brightness. I'm using walnuts, but you can use pine nuts, whatever. Pine nuts are a bit more expensive at the moment, so the walnuts are a good option.
As you put that together, the benefit of doing the split chicken, so you're getting the flavour on both sides, is that part of the...
Flavour on both sides, cooks more evenly, and it's a bit quicker. So,
so 45 in the oven.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's a good thing. It's KitchenAid, is it, that thing you've got? Yeah,
just quick, it's a quick little... A quick little whiz. You can chop it by hand as well, and it's a pesto without any dairy, so no cheese.
Why walnuts, Curtis? Not other nuts?
The walnuts are a beautiful flavour. They have a little bit of bitterness actually, which I think is really, really nice. And you get that beautiful herbaceousness, so you can sort of
easy to get to. They're cheap.
Straight over the top.
But you could put any
tomatoes.
nuts in there. Or no nuts?
Yeah, any nuts at all.
Yeah.
You can put cheese too if you want to turn it into a pesto. And then my beautiful RSPCA approved Coles chicken right here. By the way, they're $4 a kilo at the moment, so this one cost around $6, which is
Chooks are good value, aren't
That's
they?
a good...
They really
always
are.
have been.
Yeah.
Great way to feed the family. It's an easy way to put together a solid meal.
Oh,
this is a really nice, easy way, and you can take it down further if you want. So when you take off the leg, if you want to go through the bone there, that's separating the drumstick from the thigh.
See, this is where you can tell a real chef the way they carve a chook. It's like the skill test, isn't it?
And also, because your knife is slightly sharper than mine, I'd be hacking into it.
And then, you know, if you want to cut through the bone, I sort of just suggest you go through like that and then just push straight on through. So you've got a couple of different pieces, so everyone can kind of take the piece they want, whether they're looking for the piece of the breast.
Good plan.
So this one beginning to end, Curtis, we're 45 minutes in the oven, and how long in the pan just to give it the colour and...
Just until it's golden brown, so it depends on your temperature, but maybe 5 minutes on each side.
Okay, that's not long and easy. And look
Squeeze
at
a
that.
lemon.
That's an affordable meal too.
Yep, it's
Isn't that
very,
great?
very good.
Beautiful.
And it looks like a
Midweek
chef
dinner.
made it, which they did. But we could, is what you're aiming for.
Exactly.
Thank you, Curtis. That is amazing.
Magic.
And, you know, do we have time to have a taste? Producer saying yes.
Yes.
All right,
come on,
Nat, you dig in.
There you go.
Knife and forks
There
are
you
there.
go. There's a plate and there's
you
another
out.
plate.
I like the look of that pesto as well.
You just want to pick it up in your hand.
I do,
so,
actually. That's the point of those big bits of chicken.
Yeah, exactly.
Whilst we're doing that too, you can find the full recipe we should add on the Cooking with Coles section on the Sunrise website.